With Videofork, you can manage your brand, which will be helpful to customize templates or contents of your project with just a click. First, let's see how to add a new brand to our account, and then we'll see how to import the brand to our project. To add your brand, navigate to Brands page by clicking the Brand Kit menu item on the top right corner. Once the brand management page is open, click on the Add New Brand button. You'll see a pop-up form. First, type your brand name. Up next, choose all of your logo variants. Then, customize color palette with your brand colors. Choose fonts for your brand. Provide additional details about your brand and click Add Brand. We've now added our very own brand. Now let's see how we can use it in our projects. Once you've finished adding your brand, go create a new project with a template or a blank project. I'm creating a project with a blank template. Now open Asset Import pop-up by clicking Browse Files. Navigate to Scenes tab. Scenes are nothing but pre-made groups. Search for any scene, choose one and click Insert. Once the scene is imported to our project, let's take a look at the scene. Now I'm going to choose our brand in the brand panel at the bottom left corner. When I choose our brand from the drop-down list, the elements in our group will be customized to the options we chose while adding our brand. That's it. All the elements in our project is now customized to our brand in just one single click. You can add as many brands as you need and customize any Videofork template to your brand in just a click.